What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to take a look at the speed test between the Oneplus Nord CE and the Oneplus original Nord. Now this video will be of three different stages with the instant social apps, the powerful intensive game applications and also the workflow applications. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also, the update for the review or the ultimate review for the Oneplus Nord is coming very soon, so stay tuned for that and help us reaching out as a 1000 subscribers goal. So now that you have done that, let's get started. The Oneplus Nord runs on the Snapdragon 750, whereas the Oneplus Nord original runs on the Snapdragon 765. There is a huge difference between the processor, so let's get started. So we have cleared all the background application and started the stopwatch, so you can see all the differences between and the app load time between all the applications side by side. The Nord really slows up when loading up the Starbucks application and also the other applications such as the Facebook and the Instagram too. The camera was a bit of a slower side on the Nord when compared to the OnePlus Nord, and then also on the Spotify also it was a bit of lag. But the Nord is still holding on with the OnePlus Nord CE very well, and both of these are now running onto the Subway Surfer. The Subway Surfer loads faster on the original OnePlus Nord when compared to the Nord CE, and now next one is the Temple Run. The Temple Run again goes smoothly on the OnePlus Nord, and the Nord CE still struggles over there. Now one of the most intensive application in this test is the Call of Duty mobile, which you see on the screen right now, and again the Nord loads it a bit faster. Now these application was for the first round, and the second round will be of the RAM management between the Oneplus Nord Core Edition CE and the OnePlus Nord. The Core Edition was overall 2 seconds slower, and the next one is the RAM management. So moving on to the RAM management side, then the OnePlus Nord failed to load the Spotify, Subway Surfer 2, and also not only that, the Temple Run 2. Whereas the OnePlus Nord is also struggling to load the Subway Surfer into its RAM management. The OnePlus Nord only failed to load the Subway Surfer, but it manages to load the Call of Duty and all the other applications. Whereas the Nord CE failed to load Spotify, Subway Surfer, Temple Run 2, and now also the Call of Duty 2. Now this was an intense task, and the OnePlus Nord was again finished the round faster one, and it loaded all the applications before time. Now when we compared both of these side by side, the Nord is still loading and struggling with the Call of Duty mobile, so you can expect a bit of a low. So if you are someone who plays and like the Call of Duty or PUBG mobile, then you can stick to a full review and also a dedicated video. The Nord CE takes 2 minutes 31 seconds to complete all the rounds, and the Nord takes 2 minutes, so OnePlus Nord CE is 30 seconds slower when compared to the OnePlus Nord. On the Geekbench score, where it was a different thing, as the OnePlus Nord CE was having a much higher single core and the multi-core scores,